Ka Saras Aajeevika Fair Ahajar Arpusau Kabasan Kala rakhe ya kapateng Jong gariti Dastur Jongari India halor kapang Tradition Art Craft and Culture da kaba penet jingmut ha ka one district one product kani ke jingtmu jong ka sarkar ka ailat iki Nongseng kam Lajong jong ki Kynthei ki badan hanong kendong ban pen I ya laki sap kaba pen kubor yaki kum kinong yarap bakong san ban penek pensa ya kiriti Dastur bat ban pen kieu ya ka yo ka kwat ha ka thain kani bor
Saras Aajeevika Fair Ahaja Arpusau kabla penlong hamauyong hajan shelong la rakhe kariti Dastur jong gajela pat ka jingseng kam seng jam hanong kendong kani ka yo pen inam ka basdang na du ka santarik mentau benai na ka benta shipos ngi ka pen ki marap jong ka than kum ashar pat ka jing shnakti ka ba aila di kinong thiet be kinong seng kam seng jam ka Brenita sangma na ka demdema Hagaro Hills kalapan kitiar belashna da ka kenhun young women jongka da ka bapan kumno kum kini ki jing temu ki thau kam thau jambat kentiu ye kimar belashna ha ka than kani ka yo ka longkum ka jaka ka bakor dor panya samjing mot bat ban kersha ni ki kam khayi ki banapo ka jila
और ये सब अपने हाथों से बनाया है लोइन लूम का है इसी बहाने हम लोग के प्रोडक्ट है सब लोगों को देखने के लिए मिलेगा सब लोग ले रहा है अच्छा है और यहाँ पे आने के बाद पता चला कि ये सब प्रोग्राम में आने के बाद तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना कि हम सब आके देखिएगा दूसरा गांव से आ रहा है हम लोग का प्रोडक्ट भी सेल हो रहा है इसी बहाने सब जगह में जाएगा सबको देखने के लिए मिलेगा
Saras Aajeevika Fair Ahaja Arpusau kadai ke bapan ke jingshna da kiti ki bakar pang na po ka jela bat kinong kendong jongkari India ha ka balai shimbenta da ki spangot kinong shnakti bagi the khot self help group ikong iba pira shisha container boy ilabo ya kedukan dak bapan ke jingshnakti da ka bakado bayaki marap jong ka jela lanyo korba ha ki jela kom ka Haryana ila banjur bakum kini gejing temu ki arab ban penyaso ikinong shnakti bat kinong thiet ki bala banwan ban penya re ka jing poi jongki bat ban kenti we ka jing trei ki jongki
Through this Saras fair that organized this in Meghalaya, I had experienced a lot about this because many customers from the outsiders so came here to interact with us. If they want to be doing some business in outside also, they used to come with us and interact with us and deal with us. Last month I went to Gurugram, that is in Haryana. There also they find our products very good, like finishing and starting also it's very good and very strong. Here also I got same comments like my products that produced from our village, this is very good, like very good starting and ending also, and very beautiful, they said that. So I thank each and every one of you who are supporting us from my village and who are helping us a lot. So
Saras Aajeevika Fair Ahaja Arpusau kapan ki kam shna jingshna tan rai bat ki mar ba em na po ka jela kiwe ki jela ka than chate lam mingi panakal lengkari India ikong bi kongsted ibadei kom ka block project manager na maukan ro block ilakdo be ki SHG be ki Nongseng kam ayo jinghi kai ha ka kom bo dang bat bo kerteng ye ki mar jongki da ka jingkar sha na kitanat ba pher ila banjur ya ka jingdon kam bandon shushu ki jaka panyarap ikinong tray kiti na ka than panpen ki kam jongki bat ban yo ki jing ito ka bakham kraw.
So this is the 5th Saras fair. These are the local entrepreneurs from different blocks. They are SHD members. They have their own products. They brought here their own products. So this is the initiatives with the objective to promote them. From the department, like from the NRLM, we've been supporting them with the trainings, in convergence also with other departments, with other line departments. We have also labeling, production, all those training has been given to them. So they have come up to this stage. So we were very happy to promote them, and this is the best stage also, the platform for marketing their products. So this is the main objective.
Ikong Belinda khar umnoid ru ilaong badaka jing hikai bajing arab ba pher ki marjong ki mentak la kiu dor bad ka baki don kam ka long tang ka jing kersan bajing atrai lang ka bakham benya na ka sarkar
ka kerteng jing ada belinda khar umnoid Nga wan naka SSG na trap email naka VO jong start perkat mau produk blok Barumbong dari Boy district. Neng baga jingrung jung ni hakan nega BDBK nila banda sibun ke value addition ke mark jung ni. Leng baga jing don jung nega Saras fair ngisngu yo jung toy sibun na marba. Leng baga kini ke produk jung ni nila ban ya ti hakan nega jaka. Mar mansha la kampat don kan am dang penmi kan kono kamaru ngem parla te ban penmi saban nilayo uruka taka link mo bannya link bat ki bannya dia yat bat ki
Saras Aajeevika fair ahaja arpusau kapan I ke jing shnakti ke jing bam bat ki kam ba pher ban penyaso ya ki nong penmi ba ki self help group ba ki nong tien Ikong Ringki Kendan, State Mission Manager ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, ila Pynpaw, bakani ka yo, ka jing temu jung katanat penroy nong kendong, ka temu ban penyaso iki yo kihan. Wat hapedeng gijing hakabay day baka jing yo rung shiki yo kihan, hanray ka jing kenton niki nong wan jung wakay, kentob iki nong jung kakay pertay, kalalong ka ba ay mansiyam.
So the idea is to connect these SHG members with different types of buyers. We have participation from different states. So we have few northeastern states who are participating. Then we have states from the southern side of the country. Then we have states from West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, etc. So the idea is also to grow these culture exchange between these SHG entrepreneurs who are working behind the scene, behind the curtain, whereby most of them
Kani kayo kablapan iya kombashi spa tali hidukan bat ka jingisem benta na kijala ba pher ka ai kalat panesa mi culture ka kersha ni ki Nongseng kam seng jam hagathan bat ka thaw ki lat kamai na ka benta ki samla da ka ba pen le jingmut ha ka jingyatli ba ka jing penroy ki imlang salang kani ka jingalang ka penroy ka jingat roilang ba ka jingroy ka bayarap ya ka jingkiw ha ka yo ka kon bat ka culture ha ka than kani kayo kan kot ha ka khatsan darik menta ubanai Bureau Report DD News.